Japan is a country that has given us a lot of great products over the years that now we just can't live without, such as computers, cars, and even uncooked food. But the one thing I wish never comes to the United States, like bubonic plague, is this lovely invention called the alarm clock bomb. This lovely piece of gives you the opportunity to wake up with a loud explosion. It's a plastic square box with what looks like blue, yellow, and red wires. The idea is that you can turn off your alarm clock by unplugging the correct wire. If you guess the wrong one, you will be responsible for pissing off everyone in your home, your apartment, or the 3x5 room you share with your mother because you're a complete loser because you buy this thing. So, if you really want to let people know how much of an idiot you really are, buy one of these products because it's only $19 in US currency. For a product review, this is Daniel Giat.